Mesa presenta.
Man, what's up YouTube? We back with another video. I don't know, I've been trying to come with the energy, but it's 7 in the morning and it's Labor Day, right? Is Labor Day or Memorial Day?
Yeah, today's Labor Day.
So it's Labor Day and we're on the way to Turbo Industries, as y'all can see. Turbo Industries. We're gonna get a couple things installed on the truck. You know what I mean? But I'll let y'all know when we get there. YouTubers, we just got to Turbo Industries right here in Winter Haven. My stability track went away. I don't know what's up with that, but I'm about to pull in here. About to say what's up to Turbo. I can pull in? Can I pull in?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. You need to pull in her back.
Alright, I appreciate it.
Me acostumbra a lo bueno, mota de la máscara. Y antes de ser importante ya cargaba las vacas. Si salgo me echo un rezo y cargo una fajada. En esta vida maldita yo no...
The late one. We've been here for about 10 minutes already.
I'm here, bitch.
And you're late.
I was drunk last night and I'm here.
He pulled up in the Sierra.
Into a little bit of a problem. Those are 15.5 inch wheel lights and they're not working. So what are we gonna do? Poncho.
Go get a beer.
Alright, well,
What are we gonna do, Rene?
right now we're waiting on Turbo to come back from his crib. He said he had some lights that could fit.
They're 17 inch. And guess what? They're chasers. We're gonna put the clapping sound right now. You know what I mean? with the edit. Yeah. Woo! Wow wow! But yeah, we chilling. Turbo said that he rock with us so heavy that we can take anything in here we want. He don't care.
I caught dibs on the whole box.
I was gonna take all the jacks. Damn. I'll trade you 4 jacks for it.
I'm taking the compressor too.
I was about to say that.
I'm taking the crawlers.
I'm just gonna
The crawlers.
take his truck. It's outside.
Oh, nah, it's anything in the shop though. Wait.
I said in the shop.
Those are the airbags I have. They're helper bags. But we're just chilling. Fuck them like.
Meanwhile.
Yeah. Oh shit. I got that. Yeah, I texted him about those stickers. Hey, can we spin you around as many times? Yeah, let us spin you around. Put your legs up. Hold up, get in that one. Get in that one, let him spin you. Hold up, look at this one. This one's way easier.
And this is why we can't fuck him.
So your knees can hit it.
This is why we can't take him nowhere. Nowhere. Yeah, I could definitely not do that right now.
I feel like Posole after Plaza.
Me after.
That was a step on.
Yeah, that was him. Me, nah. By the way, twerk for me though. Come on.
Oh.
Try me, bitch. You might get paid on me if I'm gonna fuck you up.
Turbo shouldn't have left. Oh shit, what the fuck? I didn't expect that. What the fuck?
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I used to put people in.
What's up, man? What'd we go get? Oh my goodness. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I got some stickers in there too.
You got my message?
Yeah.
Oh my
I
goodness.
need some tunes today. I forgot it.
My dog Pierce. He'll pierce your ears if you want to.
That's not Pierce.
That's
That's
Cletus.
Cletus.
Putting this right here.
He's gonna be like, man, fuck you guys.
For real. Baby, get on the.
I don't know what you're saying.
Anyways, we on our way back to. I remember doing it. I feel lame as fuck. So for some reason we're all like tired. Like he's ready to fall asleep. He don't even want to drive.
I'm just hungry.
And
I'm just cool.
I'm not. I don't drink. So.
The Plaza really doesn't open till 11.
Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, I mean, yeah. They don't open. The mall don't open till 10 or 11. Check it on the link.
Leave in the comments if you like menudo or posole.
Posole or menudo, gang. Let us know.
Posole.
I'm Posole.
I like both.
No, but like pick one. Posole or menudo.
Posole, good.
Posole. My girl's grandma, she makes that good pozole, dog. Especially in summer.
Oh hell no!
I don't like.
I can't be doing no damn caldos in the summer.
Yeah,
I
caldo.
do.
I don't like that.
After a long day of roofing, wait, you get to the house and they got some pozole made, wait,
Got me.
and you feel that shit burning in your heart, wait.
Hell no! I ain't eating that.
I don't like caldo.
Get out the window.
I'm gonna go get a damn McChicken or something. Man. I ain't doing no caldo in the middle of summer.
I'll eat some fruit.
I eat menudo.
I'll eat some fruit now.
I eat some fruit, but I ain't eating no caldo in the middle. Unless I've been home all day and I've been like inside in the AC, then I'm chilling. You know, fuck it, I'll eat it.
Shout out to my girl. I'll eat some mango. She don't like mangoes. My girl.
For real?
She loves piña, strawberries.
She don't like mangoes?
Para nada.
Damn.
Shout out to my girl though.
My fruit cup sounds good right now.
Everything sounds good to you.
Everything's closed though.
McDonald's ain't.
Yeah, but McDonald's, bro.
McDonald's ain't.
I need to come here.
McDonald's isn't. They suck.
Oh, Crystal.
You need to go to Raising Cane's. That bitch is busting.
No, let's go to that new chicken
Raising
place
Cane's
in
is
Silverado.
busting. Oh yeah, the hot. My girl's telling me about it.
You didn't invite me. You took your girl, but you didn't take me. Took your
This
girl.
nigga
You
tripping.
took your girl, but you ain't take your man.
Yeah.
Ain't that about to be?
I can't say
You mean I ain't take my side girl?
Your man.
I did the same thing, so I can't say that.
You ain't take your man either, right? Because he didn't take me.
It was good though.
This man tried me. We talking about, hey, let's go try that shit. All right, bet. Takes his girl instead, bro. Alright.
I just wish they had different flavors.
Y'all wanna
They
go?
just got plain
Y'all wanna go try that one spicy chicken in Seagulls?
Yeah, that's what
Yeah.
I said.
When y'all wanna go?
Right now.
Detail.
We just hit a mean pothole, but now it is, what time is it? It's 5:10. We left my truck here at like 9, right?
Yeah.
Like 9, and we on the way back. We're in Winter Haven from Date City, about an hour 15 drive.
I pulled up on my boy Cletus.
Man, don't try my dog Pierce like that, bro. That's Big P right there.
Fucking Turbo Industries, y'all. Hit him up.
For real, hit him up. I'll put his at right here. Literally right here. He's gonna shine right there. But yeah, I'm about to pull up on him. I'll let y'all see how it goes.
Hi, my name is Manny and I'm gay.
We're gonna
Damn, Manny.
We're gonna eat.
Now put yourself out there, bro.
See unit, and then we'll fix it.
Call Jose.
Let's go check it out, guys.
What's up?
Big P. Big P in the building.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay.
This nigga looks tired as fuck.
He's down every time that
He said he's never doing your truck again.
Yeah, every time that he gets knocked, he's concentrating like I ain't doing this thing no more.
Nah, I ain't do it. Shoot there.
Let's close the lights, get
Yeah,
naked.
sit down.
Damn, bro.
Literally, like the backs of the wheels, you can like see the lights in it.
Yeah.
What do y'all think? Is it like a spaceship or what?
I'm thinking motherfucker spaceship.
What do y'all think of it? What do you think of it?
I like it. I always just did have her put pure white on mine.
The different modes and stuff. You said it's 256 or something like that?
Yeah, you can scroll all the way to the bottom. I just wish it told you which one it was.
Damn, look at that. That shit was crazy. Yeah, bro.
You just fucked up my video, just so you know.
Monday?
You just fucked up my video.
Well, I'm doing a YouTube video.
He said, fuck your video. He got a video. Okay, my bad.
Nah, you good. We chilling. Man, shout out to my dog.
He was recording.
I'm about to cash app him right now. As soon as I can breathe again.
You may turn it back on.
Yeah, we chilling. Y'all think it looks good?
Yeah.
Can I see how you connected under the battery and everything?
Yeah.
What are they again? They're what? Quad road?
Yeah, well, there's 4 of the way.
Hey, bro, that's all over.
I did it to the same battery as your underglow.
That's what he got?
Nah, these are different. These are pure whites.
Yeah, but I'm saying these are quad roads too.
No,
Or what is this?
this is a hell of a lot of road.
The 2 rear ones, and then the passenger side one Then obviously I've got the driver's side wire run right here. But then this ran all, I tucked it over here. The other one's just like a...
Have you turned the truck on at all or no?
No, I haven't.
I'm gonna turn it on just in case.
We're gonna put a supercharger right here. We're gonna take this whole thing off.
We're gonna cut the hood.
And then we're gonna put a hood stack. Right, Manny, we're putting a hood stack?
Nah, we chilling.
Yo, where the keys at, though? Oh, they're in the locker. Locker?
Yeah, LS supercharged. We're gonna put a cold air intake. This cat got 2 batteries. I guess he's pimping like that.
This is my battery. You know I got 3 batteries.
3 is my battery.
Let me hear that whine.
I ain't gonna lie, I wouldn't want to race you, even though I beat you already. Nah.
No, but the Sevilla track's off and everything. Chilling.
No more Christmas tree. Shout out my boy Freddie LSX. He sent us that shirt for free because he's my boy. I hang out with him all the time.
Okay guys, this is another product my boy Turbo offers. 10 rows on the Lolo. He can install them and everything, pure white. What he got on his truck. Check out his page and you'll see his truck there.
Yeah. We got 10 rows. We got all the others in here too.
What size are those? Like, what are all those?
I cater to all budgets and levels.
Hey, bro, I want to spend $100. What the fuck?
Well, if you want color, I can. But pure white, I range anywhere from like 200 to 7.
I like my girls how I like my toast. White.
Why did you let me get your shit like that?
The page on Pogs it right here.
What are the stickers?
He gave you one.
I gave you both.
That's his card. Yeah.
Hey, you said you cater for all budgets?
I want everything.
Yeah. I want the cheapest one, pure white that you can put on.
No, I want quadro.
For the wheel lights and for the label.
It's pimping right there.
Oh wait, should I not show them? Cause you hooked me up. Nah, never mind. That's for me. Fuck y'all.
It's $100 more for all y'all motherfuckers.
Man, shout out to Turbo Industries. Thank you, dog. Shout out to Pierce.
Had to get my boy right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Make sure to link some clips nighttime. You'll see it.
We got it. We'll take some videos later at the gym. But yeah, I'm gonna have Rene record a video and we out of here.
Catch me riding.
Excuse me, sir. What do you do for a living?
Shit, fuck shit up. Yeah, show this shit.